Welcome to today's lesson on the fundamentals of pro audio equipment. If you're just starting out with audio production, understanding the essential gear and how it works is crucial to achieving high-quality sound in your projects. In this video, we'll explore the different types of pro audio equipment, how they function, and the role they play in professional audio recording, mixing, and live sound setups. By the end of this session, you'll have a solid understanding of the tools you need to build your own pro audio setup, whether it's for music production, podcasting, or live performances. Section 1. Overview of pro audio equipment. Let's start by breaking down the key categories of pro audio equipment. These include microphones, audio interfaces, monitors and headphones, mixers, preamps and amplifiers, cables and accessories. Each piece of equipment serves a specific purpose in the audio production process, from capturing sound to processing and outputting it. Section 2. Microphones. Microphones are the starting point of most audio production setups. Their job is to convert sound waves into electrical signals. There are different types of microphones, and each one is designed for specific applications. Dynamic microphones. Dynamic mics are rugged and versatile, making them ideal for live performances and situations where durability is important. They can handle high sound pressure levels, making them great for recording drums, guitar amplifiers, and live vocals. Condenser microphones. Condenser microphones are more sensitive and provide a higher level of detail, making them the go-to choice for studio recording. They require external power, known as phantom power, and are typically used to record vocals, acoustic instruments, and overheads. Ribbon microphones. Ribbon microphones offer a unique, warm sound and are often used for recording brass instruments, strings, and vocals in a studio environment. They're delicate and require careful handling but provide a vintage character that many audio engineers love. Choosing the right microphone depends on the sound source, the environment, and the overall tone you want to achieve. Section 3. Audio interfaces. An audio interface is the bridge between your microphones and your computer. It converts analog signals from microphones and instruments into digital data that can be processed by your computer's recording software. Here are some key factors to consider when choosing an audio interface. Number of inputs and outputs. If you're recording a band or multiple instruments simultaneously, you'll need an interface with multiple inputs. On the other hand, for solo projects like voiceovers or podcasting, a smaller interface with 2-4 inputs will suffice. Audio quality. Bit depth and sample rate. Higher bit depth and sample rate mean better sound quality. Look for interfaces that support at least 24-bit/48 kHz for professional-grade recordings. Phantom power. If you're using condenser microphones, ensure that your interface provides phantom power to operate them. Popular audio interfaces include the Focusrite Scarlett series, Universal Audio Apollo, and PreSonus Audio Box. Section 4. Monitors and headphones. Studio monitors and headphones are your main tools for hearing and analyzing your recordings accurately. Studio monitors. Studio monitors are designed to provide a flat frequency response, meaning they don't artificially enhance bass or treble. This is important because you want to hear your recordings exactly as they are, so you can make precise mixing decisions. Popular options include the Yamaha HS8, KRK Rocket, and JBL 305P. Studio headphones. There are two main types of studio headphones: open-back and closed-back. Closed-back headphones are great for recording because they block out external noise. Open-back headphones are ideal for mixing because they provide a more natural sound. Make sure you're not relying solely on headphones or monitors. Both have their strengths, and using them together will give you a more balanced mix. Section 5. Mixers. Mixers are essential for controlling multiple audio signals at once. They're commonly used in both live sound setups and studio environments. There are two main types of mixers. Analog mixers. Analog mixers are known for their simplicity and hands-on controls. They are typically used in live sound environments, but can also be found in some recording setups. Digital mixers. Digital mixers offer more flexibility with features like onboard effects, digital storage, and routing options. These mixers are commonly used in larger studio and live sound setups. Mixers allow you to control the volume, panning, and effects for multiple input sources. However, if you're working in a digital audio workstation DAW, An audio interface with enough inputs might eliminate the need for a standalone mixer. Section 6. Preamps and amplifiers. Preamps and amplifiers are critical for boosting audio signals. Preamps. A preamp boosts the low-level signal from a microphone to line level, which is necessary for recording. Many audio interfaces have built-in preamps, but you can also invest in external preamps for higher quality sound or a particular tonal characteristic. Amplifiers. Amplifiers are typically used to drive passive speakers or headphones. In a studio environment, powered monitors which have built-in amplifiers are more common, but in live settings, separate amplifiers may be required for larger sound systems. Section 7. Cables and accessories. Even the best pro audio equipment won't perform well without the right cables and accessories. XLR cables. These are the standard for connecting microphones to audio interfaces and mixers. Make sure to invest in high-quality, durable XLR cables for the best sound and reliability. TRS and TS cables. TRS tip-ring sleeve cables are used for balanced connections, while TS tip sleeve cables are used for unbalanced connections like electric guitars. Understanding the difference is crucial for avoiding unwanted noise or interference in your setup. Pop filters and shock mounts for vocal recordings. A pop filter can reduce plosive sounds, while a shock mount helps to isolate the microphone from vibrations that might cause noise during recording. Other useful accessories include cable management systems, microphone stands, and acoustic treatment for your recording space. Section 8. Building your pro audio setup. Now that you know about the essential pieces of pro audio equipment, let's discuss how to put them together into a functioning setup. Home studio setup. For a basic home studio, start with a condenser microphone, an audio interface, a pair of studio monitors, and headphones. You'll also need a computer with a DAW such as Ableton Live, FL Studio, or Logic Pro and necessary cables. Live sound setup. For live performances, you'll need dynamic microphones, a mixer, amplifiers if necessary, and a set of PA speakers. Ensure that your mixer has enough channels to accommodate all the instruments and vocalists. Mobile recording setup. For mobile recording such as podcasts or interviews, a portable audio interface or a field recorder, dynamic microphones, and closed-back headphones are all you need. That concludes our lesson on the fundamentals of pro audio equipment. Whether you're setting up a home studio or preparing for a live show, understanding your gear is the first step toward achieving professional quality sound. Remember to invest in the right tools for your needs and don't overlook the importance of quality cables and accessories. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more audio production tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next class.